Thanks for clicking on my video. Before we get started, please click the subscribe button so that you can get more great content such as this one. Thanks. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Tony Coleman, and today I want to show you a third option for setting up your bunkering setup within the BOINC client by using the Windows Firewall. Now, to get there, you want to go to your control panel, Windows Defender Firewall, and you want to go to Advanced Settings. We're going to be using the outbound rules. We're going to want to create a new one. Let's see if I can get somewhere simple here. Oh, new rule. Okay, rule type. We want to go to custom. Then for program, you want all programs, so that's good. Protocol. On there, you want to make sure it's set to any. And then for scope, you want for which IP address does this rule apply, and you want to basically put your IP address right here. Now, you may not know what the IP address is for the project, so here's a handy way to do it. As soon as it comes up here. Still have a save from yesterday. Yep. I already know what the IP address is for Universe while I'm waiting for the website to come up. How I got it is going to a command prompt. The system is running slow because I was running BOINC on a full bore. Let me change that. Alright, so to get the IP address, just ping the server. And as you can see, there's the IP address. So you want to go back in here and you want to add IP address. In this case, 148.81.25.80. Okay. Now you see it listed. You want to go next. And on the action field, you want to go to block the connection. And then you want to leave the rest of the options alone. After you hit here, you can give it a name. Just block Universe at home. And hit finish. If I go back here, actually, try to bring up the website. As you can see, access is being blocked. If I try to upload, it's not going to find it. Do an event log. You can see that it finished uploading previously, but hasn't done anything since on these units. So hit retry. Temporary failed to upload, and that's because it cannot get to the website. If you want to undo it, you basically just go back to the one you created. It's probably at the top because it's a block. Let's see. Abound. There it is at the very top. What I can do is just disable the rule. Go back to the website here. hit refresh, and voila. So it's that simple. If you're getting in on this video first before seeing the other videos, this tactic is basically used for what they call bunkering. As you will notice from my other 2 videos I've made so far, the whole purpose of this is to block communication from the server so that it doesn't try to upload work units until you're ready to dump them. This is a strategy used at the beginning of challenges, and so it is a great way for people to get extra work completed during a certain time frame in order to try to win the competition better. So if you have any questions, please add those in the comments section. I do reply and I'm more than willing to help you out. If you like the video, please hit that like button, and by all means make sure you are subscribing to my channel so you get more great content like this. But until next time, have a good one.